They say the Withlacoochee River holds secrets, and one man who knows them all, Captain Bob. Folks claim he was born on a moving airboat, steering with a pacifier by age 1, and teaching raccoons to fish by 5. Every critter on this river knows him. Big Jaw Jackson, the gator with attitude, gives Bob a respectful tail salute. The otters, they treat him like their tiny swamp general. Some say the river flows north, 'cause Bob told it to. Others swear he once revved his airboat so hard, it scared the current backward. And the birds. They argue every morning about who Bob waved at first. Out here, truth and tall tales get tangled like cypress roots. But if you want the real gator gossip, there's only one ride to take. Captain Bob's Airboat Tour. He ain't just the guide, he's the story.